Everybody, Larry here with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and today we're standing on this beautiful 2025 Boston Whaler 210 Vantage. This boat's powered with the Mercury V8 engine, the 250 horsepower with auto trim, which is a great feature. We've got a couple of jump seats in the back that fold down so you can easily get in and out of the boat at the dock. This is a great fishing family cruising boat. It's outfitted with 4 rod holders, 2 on each side, and we've got a fully insulated live well here, which you can use for fishing, keep your bait going, or it doubles as a cooler on those days when you're just cruising. So it gives you a lot of flexibility there. We've got a really neat seating configuration here with an adjustable backrest. I'm going to move it into a couple different positions for you so you can see what we've got going on. We can make a kind of a rear-facing lounge seat right here, or we can pull this all the way up and lay it all the way down. And now you've got a full lounger here that uses the cushions on the head compartment as the backrest. Really neat seating configuration. Speaking of the head compartment, let's take a look at this plumbed head here. Lots of space, easy to get in and out of with this door that opens up nice and wide right here. This boat has a freshwater system. There's a pull-out shower in the transom as well, which is a really neat feature. At the helm, we've got a fully integrated helm station here with a 12-inch Simrad GPS fish finder chart plotter, which also shows all the data for your Mercury engine. We've got a really nice JL audio system in this boat. This is equipped with a VHF radio. We've got trim tabs, all your switches, the throttle right there on the right-hand side, which is electronic shift, and it also has active engine trim as well, which is a really neat feature on that Mercury. Up at the bow, you've got some really nice, comfortable seating. The center fill-in cushion right there in the middle also doubles as a table. We take the cushion off, pop a table leg underneath, and you've got a nice little place to have lunch. If you got any questions about this boat or would like to take a sea trial, give us a call at 904-545-5310. We'll get you out on the water. Thank you and have a great day.